Happy birthday! I heard you're not in a good mood today.
Really?
Yeah. Yan, dito na tayo mga kaagapay. Nandito na tayo. Surprise natin si my friend Kevin. Nasa taas yata. Ito na yung mga hinandang mga pagkain. Atan sila? What are you guys doing? Ha? Ay, kailangan wag maingay. Nasa taas pala si Kevin. Hindi niya alam na nandito na kami. Wala siyang kamalay-malay. Yan. Ano yan? What's that? Busy-busy ang mga people. Yan. Nasa second floor si Kevin, my friend. Yan. Wala daw pati sa mood si Kevin. Wala sa mood. Kasi akala niya hindi tayo pupunta. Wala sa mood yarn. Wala sa mood ang birthday boy. Nasa second floor ang my birthday boy. Hindi nagbababa. So, anong balak? Paano siya bababain?
Okay na din.
Pag okay na ang setup. Yan, pag okay na daw ang setup. Ayan, may nakalagay mo na happy birthday, kaso ang litli parang tinipid. Di, parang tinipid niya naman yung happy birthday. Halos di na makita. Yan. Busy ang people. Oh. Ito yung hinihila. Ako na mahila. Abot ko yan.
Sige na po dito.
Pare, taas mo daw ako. Ito. Akit sa taas. Sige. Ako maakyat. Ikaw na. Baka mahulog ka. Hindi pa rin abot. Ako na. Nag-upuan ka na. Hindi mo pa rin abot. Ay, ano na tayo?
Hindi kasi natin ito bahay. Hindi natin naman.
Sa bagay.
Si Tia, aram natin.
Ay, kay Tia. Ano siya na ang ano? Si ano nga po pala mga kagabi, si Norilyn. Pinsan din ni Giselle. Yan. Ito naman ang kanyang asawa. Yan si Bayani. Bayani Bukayo ang apelyido niya. Ha? Ano? Ano mo headset? Ano kasi siya, may ginagawa siya sa trabaho niya. Ayan. Kaya lagi nakaharap sa laptop. Ayan. Ito na yung cake. Ito ang mga pagkain. Ay, mali. Yung tutok. Ito. Happy birthday, Kevin. May ano. Yan ang mga food. Madami tayong food. May pansit, may spaghetti. O paborito niya, barbecue ni Kevin. Ano to? Ham. Yan. Atan si Tin? Nasa taas din. Nasa taas yung mag-asawa. Sila Joan? Wala pa sila Joan. Wala pa rin sila pala yung balak natin. Yung unang plano baga na na pupunta si Kevin sa SM.
Ano yun?
Yak ka din. Di yung pupunta si Kevin sa SM.
Ay, ano?
Tapos dito na tayo maghihintay, di ba? Unang plano.
Di pa daw siya binabati ni Kuya JM. Malungkot na maray dito. Mangulis na nga ni.
Hindi ko pa daw siya binabati.
Hindi pa daw siya binabati ni J.A. Maiyak na daw.
Hindi ko yun. Ikaw din ba't ko natin?
Oo, di ko nga binati yan.
Nagtatampo.
Mm. I'm sorry, my friend. Yan.
That's life.
Yeah, that's life. Actually, yun nga yung unang plano na pupunta siya sa SM, tapos tayo maghihintay dito. Kasi hindi niya alam na pupunta tayo dito. Kasi alam niya, busy tayo. Ang balak sana natin, habang nandito tayo, nasa SM sila, kukunin na natin mga halagang gamit. Di ba? Wag pala, wag. Siyempre,
Sabi ko pati
actually, maganda din sana yun kasi tugladong pagpasok niya ng bahay niya, masusurprise siya. Wala nang kagamit-gamit.
buwang.
Yan, nalulungkot daw siya. Mangulis na. Di ko pa kasi siya binabati. Sinachat. Di ko pa siya sinachat, binabati. Ngayong maghapon na ito na birthday niya. Nalulungkot daw si my friend. I'm sorry, my friend Kevin. This is all teen idea. Teen already told us that we need to follow her plan. Oh, I'm sorry. Ha?
Tapos na ba?
Bakit? Magkipag-birthday na si Tia?
Siya ang may
Bakit siya may birthday? Si Tia?
Malakang mo sige sasabihin mo pa.
May sabihan ko.
Hindi po kami nag-usap. Hindi kami nag-usap. Walang
Oo. Nagkataon na lang kulay yung damit, ano? Magpinsan talaga kayo. Ayan, hintayin natin. Nasa second floor pa si...
discover.
Sige, ha? Ano yan? May na-discover ka? Baka kalukuhan na naman yung na-discover mo.
Bagong pabang.
Bango pa bango? Ano?
Kating ko.
Ay, hanip. Kating ko. Pabango na mga trahintahin. Ang ganda yan. Inalalagay sa ganyan. Magkano bili mo?
Walang
Bili din tayo ng ganito.
50 yata yan. 55?
Ang mahal pala.
Yan sa HP.
Pinangutahin ko na lang.
Hindi mo. Kakabili lang naman. Yung isang inaanap ko yung katulog kay Dix. Wala man nakita.
Ay, maganda daw yun. Pampatulog. Yung kay Dex. Nahuhulog yung mic ng Dex. Ayan. Ayun si Tia. Naglabas. Tatanungin ko bakit nagpaligo siya. Birthday yarn. Ako nga, di nagpaligo. Ay, alam ko, natago tayo dito. Pagbaba na, ano? Dito tayo mo matago sa dingding na ito. Magugulat siya. Sabi, pre, may balak na ako. Pag pababa na si Kevin ng hagdan, tatago tayo dito sa pader na ito. Dito. Tapos, gugulatin natin siya. What's up?
Dito?
Oh, itong gilid na ito. Ito. Itong pader na ito. Kasi hagdan yan. Di ba? Nice idea.
Very good, very good.
Kaka-excite. Wala pa yung ibang pinsan nila, Giselle, kasi gabi pa daw kasi may trabaho pa. Ay, Tia, may hapon pa pala ako, Tia. Tatanong po ako, bakit po nagpaligo ka, tiya? Birthday mo?
Birthday ko.
Birthday mo? Nakapula ka pa, happy birthday.
May regalo, may ano pa ako. Cake pa ako dyan.
May pinaghahandaan pala niya. Birthday pala niya.
Baby, ano mo ba? Kaya nagtulog ko.
Birthday pala niya. Ayun, doon pala ang switch. Nandun pala ang switch. Kalikot kami ng kalikot doon sa may taas. Yan. At least nakuha na yung switch. Video natin ito sa yan. Oh, di ba? Ganda. Yan. Kaya hinanap kita kanina. Sabi ko, nasaan ka? Sabi nila, nagpapaligo ka nga daw. Sabi ko, bakit nagpapaligo? Birthday yarn?
Hindi. Mga birds na.
Ay, birthday yarn. Tapos nakared pa.
Ano sila doon? Oo, masapak lang po sila. Sabi ko, iba ko na. Alam, subat ko pa sa kanila. Subat mo? Subat mo.
Ito nga pala ang friend kong si Bayani Bukeyo. Yan. Since college, magkasama na kami nito. Sa tagal namin pagkasama ng magbilang mga kaibigan, wala na siyang ginawang tama.
Ikaw, parang ikaw meron na. Ikaw meron na.
Ay, oo. Naputok.
New Year.
Happy New Year. Ano baga, Andoy? Ha? Hindi pa yata. Hindi pa mahaba. Hindi pa mahaba. Na-excite na ako. Di pa daw sila mahaba. Meron pang isang cake? May isang cake pa pala. Oo.
Hindi ko nga na-surprise. Tapos na, una nagbaba na.
Pero di po niya nakita yan.
Ha?
Hindi niya nakita yung cake.
Na-surprise ko din. Taday nung nararamang may cake akong dara.
Oo.
Uwi si Kandit.
Yan, di kasya na.
Oo ba?
Hindi pa mahaba.
Hindi namin si Diesel eh.
Ba, ano pa daw, nag-iiyak pa. Hindi ko daw kasi binati. I'm sorry, my friend.
Hindi na ko madirig di kaya nagtatampo.
Tatampo nga. I'm sorry. I think you should blame your wife. This is all her plan. Yan.
Sibot kami silitan.
Hindi pa nababa. Hindi pa natin pababain. Ano kaya i-set up kong camera dito para pagbaba niya ng hagdan makikita niya ito. Pagbaba niya ng hagdan makikita niya itong mga pagkain. Set up ko dito yung camera, ano? Tapos gugulatin natin siya dito. Oo.
Nakikita. Baka galawin yun to.
Nakapaligo na si Tia. Oo.
May lighter ka diya? Ha? Lighter. Pag hindi kayo bago magbaba. Connected ako dito. Pag mo sige, tingnan nyo nila si lighter. Ayaw, yung ba naman pa rin.
Ayan. Padir yan. Kaya pagbaba niya ng hagdan, hindi niya makikita.
Nandito lang tayo.
Quiet. Huwag ka maingay, Ando, ha? We're going to have a little surprise for Tito Kevin, ha? Kenapa ba na? Ha? Oo, kasi nagkarigo si Tia, baka nasupog. Baka nahiya kasi nagpaligo si Tia. Alang mo magharap sa kay Tia ng...
Si Day Luguran niya may birthday, nagpa-release.
Kaya nga puti, nagtataka ako. Bakit ka ako nagkarigos ka? Hindi man ikaw may birthday.
Tapos nakapula pa.
Oo, nakapula pa.
Mas na kasi, madali na.
Exenadora yarn.
Sabay na natin yan, sabay na.
Nagpapaligo pa yata si my friend ko. Yan, bali bibilisan na lang siguro natin itong video. Hindi pa naman ba? Hintayin lang tayo. Tagal. Parang tayo ang masusurprise ah.
Inaabangan ko din mag-forget kita.
Wala pa hanggang ngayon. Grabe ang pagdadabog ano. Grabe ang pagkatampo. Wala sa mood magpuntang SM. Hindi daw kasi siya binati. Hindi siya binati. Tatampo siya kasi hindi ko daw siya binati. Ayan. Masama ang loob, wala sa mood. Sabihin pa mga pala. At i-set up ko yung camera dun. Ayan, wait lang natin.
Ay, wala.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, my friend!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
I didn't expect you guys to come, honestly. I forgot.
Nagulat siya.
Exactly, yeah.
That's your plan.
Yeah.
Really?
Blame your wife.
She was trying to get me to come downstairs.
Yeah.
Take you to
I heard you're not in a good mood today.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thanks for coming, man. Thank you. This is awesome. I didn't expect it at all. So, yeah.
Happy birthday, my friend.
Yeah, I thought maybe there's gonna be like a cake. I'm like, okay, there might be like a cake downstairs. I didn't expect this though. I was like, oh, wow. This is awesome. Okay. Thanks, man. Thank you for coming.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. No worries, my friend. For you, we always be there. Remember, I just told you, we got your back.
Birthday din si...
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
We didn't forget it.
I'm really surprised to see you guys. So I'm kind of in shock, honestly. It was social media, like,
Ay, hindi na. Babawi. Hindi pala kayo babatiin pag birthday na.
Tapos sabi ko,
yeah. How are you guys doing?
sa iyo. Sa iyo man nag-chat.
Actually, you have to blow your...
Ay, guys, you should blow your cake. Blow the candle. Yeah. It's my... Yeah. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Wish.
Alright.
Huwag mo namang habaan. Make it short.
Okay. Wait.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Grabe sa mananong niya talaga.
How it's feeling? How's the feeling?
Good. I'm kind of surprised still.
Yeah.
Kami na nagsabi na kayo,
I'm kind of in shock actually. I was like, there might be like a cake downstairs, something special. And then like I'm like, this is like everybody is here.
Actually, this is your wife plan.
Thank you. She's really good at it. I have no idea. Like last night, she had the cake, the birthday cake. I thought she was going to the restroom, but then she busts in with the cake, you know. So yeah.
Kahit mo yung dali picture. May picturean lang. Tapos video.
Oh, picture.
Send nila kay mami niya.
Picture.
Kay daddy niya.
Yung lahat ng ano, pagkain.
Ay, center.
Winter.
At the center.
Yan. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yan.
Okay, happy birthday! Yay!
Take some pictures of you just here.
Yeah, sure.
Para magpaano sa inyo kay mami niyan.
Do you want me to
Para, ano man. Oo, sila na lang. Sila na lang. Hindi man naminis ako.
I know it's okay. I'll kind of like crouch down like right here.
Mataas tayo.
Hindi kasi kasya pinipicturan. Yan.
Saya na siya.
Yeah. Are you happy? Are you happy?
Really happy.
Sila na maya. Nagbukas-bukas sa buong araw.
Yeah, I heard you're crying. Why?
I wasn't crying.
Really? You're not crying?
I was like, oh, I think everybody forgot, you know.
That's sad.
Bakit sa'yo lang sila nag-chat?
I was like, oh, I'm crying because big deal.
Lahat talaga sabi niya, sabi ni Sir Kim, abi ko, ano, imbita mo na sila.
Masaya yan.
Sabi niya, busy nga daw sila. Sir Kim, busy daw dun sa ano, dun sa Puntilan Bawal. Tapos, kadas kanina, ano, binati ka na? Wala, sabi niya, hindi ako binati ni Sir Kim. Babalusin pala din. Pinangalala talaga ko, hindi ko din sila babatiin.
Babawi.
Oh.
Honestly, I wasn't sure.
So you're planning to take revenge on us because we didn't greet you?
That's not true. There wasn't any revenge plan.
You were plotting on it.
No, I wasn't.
So earlier, when I told you that, oh, the owner is here, bought
Yeah.
the wall,
Yeah.
I was actually fixing this.
Oh, really?
And,
Yeah, I thought the owner was here looking at the wall, so I didn't think about it.
wala na siyang energy maghapon, talaga natulog lang siya. Nadamay na siya, tapos sabi niya, ganun mo talaga, sabi niya ganun na parang hindi na nga daw, di daw naalala. Naka-private pa yung ano, yung birthday ko sa Facebook. Naka-private ba? Naka-public naman yun. Sabi ko, bakit daw lang nakakaalala? Pati din sa kanya, ano niya. And Sek is coming.
It's fine.
Just fixing the booth.
Walang problema.
Your cat is inside na.
Oh, really? He's inside?
Oh, your cat is inside
Oh,
na.
really?
Nakita ko kanina yung mata niya dito, mamasa-masa. May tubig-tubig pa. Yung mata niya dito may tubig-tubig pa.
Thank you guys so much for coming. Thank
Yeah.
you. I really
No worries, my friend.
Thank you, thank you.
No worries. Oh, nagmukha akong bata sa height niya.
Your
Yeah.
favorite content.
Ooh. Yeah, I saw that. Look at this thing. It's huge. That's like the largest plate of cochinta I've ever seen.
Yeah. That's pretty tasty. Kutsinta. Yeah. That's very tasty. You like kutsinta?
It's my favorite. I love it.
Ah, it's your favorite.
Yeah, I
Oh,
love
that's
it.
good.
I'm like, this is the first thing I went to on the table, honestly. Yes.
Oh, kutsinta.
No, but this is awesome. This is way more than what I was expecting, to be
Yeah.
honest. So thank you guys so much for putting all this together, you know. Yeah, this is really...
This one, have you tried this one?
Oh, what is this one?
Ano nga? Sapin. We call it sapin.
Sapin, sapin?
Yeah, sapin.
What does it mean, sapin?
Sapin, like basahan.
Yung malagkit siya na ano.
Yeah. It's also malagkit. Sticky. It's all sticky. Sticky.
Rice, right?
Yeah, sticky rice, yeah.
And this is like lumpia, right? So these are both.
Yeah, lumpia. This one is lumpia. Yeah. And this one, I know you know this spaghetti.
A spaghetti.
Yeah,
Ooh,
spaghetti.
very nice. This-
And the barbecue from Gay Bar we love.
They got the best barbecue, honestly.
Yeah, the Gay Bar.
How was it, by the way?
Very tasty.
Very tasty. Yeah, thank you guys so much for putting this together and for coming. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I know you guys are all very busy, but I appreciate you guys, taking the time to come here. So
No worries, my friend.
thanks, man. Thank you. Thank you again.
Actually, we're planning this last 2 years. Last 2 years. Yeah, we've been planning for a long time.
Yeah. No, that's awesome, man. Thank you. Meron big salamat.
Very big salamat.
Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, I honestly haven't had like a birthday like this in years, to be honest with you. It's been like many years since I've had like an actual birthday party,
Actually, this is your first birthday here in the Philippines, right?
Oh yeah, first time.
First birthday here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
So that's why we want you to enjoy your birthday.
Thank you so much.
But your wife plan, yeah,
Was this your plan?
yeah. If you want to blame us, blame your wife.
She's so good.
Yeah. He acts so well, right?
Yeah, she acts like, oh, don't worry about it. There's nothing going on downstairs. It's just somebody looking at the crack in the wall,
Dito na natin, yan ay inuman dyan.
Yeah.
Ay, ganun pala kaya.
Para malaki.
Yeah. That's awesome, man.
Kita niya na lang yung favorite.
So you guys were like, what have you guys been doing all day? Just staying busy or?
Actually, whole day we're planning about your birthday,
Oh, really?
Selby.
The whole day?
Actually, our first plan, you and Tin will go to SM. But
You don't wanna go out na.
yeah,
So I keep telling you, let's go na, let's go
You were
na.
trying to get me to go out of the house and I'm like, oh, I'm so tired.
actually, if you guys go to SM, our friends are waiting here inside your house.
Oh, really?
While taking your items.
Come back, the house is empty. But
Yeah,
there's a lot of food.
I know you will get shocked. That's a surprise, my friend.
The furniture's gone, but the food is here.
Yeah.
Best way to move furniture.
yeah.
Yeah. What do you think about your planner? Yeah.
But sad to say, you're not in a good mood. Good mood.
Oh no.
You don't want go to the SM.
Yeah. I was so tired, honestly.
You're so
I
tired.
was so sleepy that we're just like, we'll just stay in bed and watch. We were watching Avatar, in bed and just kind of hanging out. So yeah. But like, she was so excited when the recliner came, so I thought she was just coming downstairs to try the furniture.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think? Yeah, very happy.
I heard you bought this table. You bought this table?
Yeah, I want that.
It's
We thought that we were gonna stain it actually like a different color, but no, it looks pretty good. It's what do you guys think?
it's pretty awesome.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
yeah. It's room for a lot of cards and a lot of drinking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the use of it.
It's actually strong enough.
For drinking purposes.
You could dance on that table if you want.
Really?
Yeah, it's strong enough.
Oo. Sample. Sampulan mo. Bayani. Sampulan mo daw.
Kevin,
Yeah,
get that stair.
yeah.
Can you give a sample?
A sample.
You dance here in under the table.
Under the table.
Under the table nga masabi ko.
Table.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you could probably fit into there maybe. But I heard you guys been practicing, right? You guys practice a little bit.
Yeah, we practice. I guess we practice almost 3 hours maybe.
3 hours.
Yeah. We've been waiting for you right like 3 hours. Not much.
Not much.
Only 3 hours.
No, I feel bad. Yeah.
It's okay, my friend. Not that much. It's only 3 hours.
Only 3 hours.
Yeah.
You guys were hanging out downstairs for 3 hours.
Yeah.
Really? Oh.
Actually, if you go outside,
Yeah.
it's already night.
Have you guys been here for 3 hours?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I had no idea. Yeah.
5 p.m.
Yeah, that's what she's trying to do.
4:30 like that.
Actually, I was about to smash the electric fan.
I can't take it anymore. She's trying to rush me downstairs. I'm like, wait, I just have to put this on and do this. I was like taking my time.
You take a lot of time.
Longer than usual.
Since earlier.
Oh, I would have sped up if you told me.
5 p.m. We were here. So we waited for almost 2 hours.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Well, I owe you guys some drinks then, you know? So, yeah. Are you guys hungry?
Actually, yes. That's why I'm looking for the food.
You already started, right?
Yeah. I think we need to eat na.
Yeah. I come down, half of the plate is gone. We get hungry.
Yeah. Oh, let's eat na. Andoy, makain na.
I'm very happy. So, thank you.
Yan, nilipat na yung mga pagkain. Ayun, kape. Yan ang hinahanap ko kanina pa, coffee. This is what I waiting for. Coffee. I love coffee.
Oh, ala. Pulutan. Wala.
Kaya sabi ko, birthday yarn.
Ay, may ano. Tingnan mo, kakaling ang dami na. Yan ang favorite ko dyan ng kanina.
payong itong nakalagay. Gano'n pa dyan? Yung payong,
Na,
ito na walang
Ayan mga
ay
kaagapay.
nayo na karo dyan.
Surprise na natin si my friend Kevin. So magkakain na rin kami. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Yun lamang po, I love you all. Stay safe and God bless.
Kain na!
Yan.
God bless. Ay po. Nalulunod kayo.